In chapter 8, Transparent Communication, we will discuss about the pipelines. Pipelines, which are the most convenient, efficient and economical mode of transportation, products like liquid petroleum, petroleum product, natural gas, water, milk, etc. Even solid product also can be transported through these pipelines after converting them into slurries. Transportation pipeline by pipeline is the new development in the world. Pipeline have relieved the increasing pressure on the existing surface transportation like railway roadways. World has a very dense network. In the world there is a dense network of pipeline like USA, which include North America like USA and Canada have a very dense network of oil pipeline from producing areas of North America to the consuming areas of USA and Canada. There is a big inch pipeline which is famous pipeline which carry petroleum from the oil wells of Gulf of Mexico. This is Gulf of Mexico, and produces petroleum oil and transported from here through the big inch pipeline to the consuming areas of north eastern part of USA, including New York, Washington. In USA, around 17% of oil and the gaseous product, including all the freight, are carried through the pipelines. In Europe, there is also a good network of pipeline. In Russia, there are pipelines which are carrying oil and natural gas from the producing area to the consuming area of Western Russia. West Asia, which include the Gulf countries like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, and all these Gulf countries use pipelines to connect oil wells to the refineries and to from producing areas to the port which are located here. From the ports, this oil is sent to other countries. Turkmenistan in Central Asia has extending pipeline to Iran here, and also the parts of China. There is a proposed pipeline from Iran to India via Pakistan. If this country, Pakistan, is agree, then natural oil would be transported from Iraq and Iraq directly to Indian refineries. And if this pipeline is constructed, this pipeline would be the longest pipeline in the world. Now, like all other mode of transport, pipelines is also having some merits and demerits. Generally, pipelines which are used to carry solid, gaseous and liquid commodities like petroleum, natural gas from oil and natural gas field to refineries, fertilizer factories and big thermal power plant. Solid also transported by converting into slurries. In the merits, very first merit of pipeline is pipeline are extremely used to transport liquid and gaseous product. As I already told, petroleum, natural gas, water and milk plant are using this pipeline for the transportation of product. Without interruption, products can be transported. Unlike rail and road, pipelines are without hindrance, interruption, and these are also accident free. The accident do not caused in pipeline when the goods are transported. Railway and roadways are facing this problem, but this mode of transportation is free from accident as well as pollution. As we know, the consumption of energy in pipeline is very less. That's why they are pollution free. Otherwise, road transportation, water transportation are causing lots of pollution in the world. Maintenance cost is very little. It need very low or very little maintenance cost. And these are the reason. Because of this thing, pipelines are safe mode of transportation, accident free and environment friendly mode of transportation. In the demerits, we know these are not flexible, cannot be transported, and pipeline through the pipelines goods and commodities can be transported to a fixed point. Reduction in the cost of transportation is a problem here. That is a big demerit. Pipelines are not convenient if they passes through the backward world like Africa, Latin America and some part of Asia as well. There is a problem of leakage in pipeline, which has increased the problem of a pipeline in different part of the world. And once leakage take place in pipelines, it's very difficult to find out. Limited capacity is the problem, and the capacity of pipeline cannot be increased once they are laid down. Unsafe mode of transport sometime, because if these pipelines are passing through areas of turmoil or political unstable region, so it's very difficult to make security arrangement for the pipeline. For example, the pipeline which has to be passed from the Iran to India or the Gulf country to India, Pakistan is on the way. So for such a country with which we do not have a good relation, so we cannot transport product from such countries. India also are having some of the pipelines like HVJ from Hazira, Vijayanagar to Jagdishpur. This is a gas pipeline. There is a petroleum pipeline which carry petrol from Gujarat, Salaya to Jalandhar in Punjab. There is one more pipeline. This is the very first pipeline which start from the oil fields of Assam to Kanpur in UP via Baruni and Guwahati. Thank you.